Firstly, let us open the X application. Here we have different videos available, but X has no built-in feature to download them. We can only post or share them. Also, you cannot just grab any video from Twitter without permission. Each video belongs to someone, so make sure you have permission to download and use it. Otherwise, you could get into trouble. Now let us get into the process. First, open the Twitter application. Find the video you want to download. Now go to your browser and search for a Twitter video downloader. There are lots out there. I am using this one. After that, go to the video that you want to download. Tap on it and go to More option. Then hit the share icon. Choose Copy Link. Paste the link, tap Download, and choose the video resolution you want. Long press the download button. Select Download Linked File and the video starts. Go to Downloads and there is your video. That's it. Your video is now in your iPhone camera roll. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.